Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a jasmine water fragrance. सुगंधित मोटा मोगरा जल कैसे बनाएं. So here I have already made these flower water, jasmine water. So let's start to show you how we can utilize these flower to make their water. So mogra gel or jasmine water, it has very good fragrance. Hello, here this is my jasmine plant. ये मोगरा का पौधा है. This is a jasmine plant. It has white flower. मोगरे के पौधे के सफ़ेद फूल. So these flower have very rich smell. So I'm going to collect these. This is another one. Next one is here. 3. This is my 4. And here one more. And this side is one more here. So here you can see I have collected some white mogra flower, jasmine flower. They are very good smell. They have very good smell, and then some sweet smell also. That is why you will see ants, चींटियाँ भी बहुत आती हैं इसमें. Now I would like to show you how we can extract the scent from these mogra flower to refresh your home. Or so here you can see I have collected all these mogra flower, jasmine flower, and these jasmine flower have incredible sensual, rich and sweet smell. इन मोगरा के पुष्प बहुत ही सुगंधित होते हैं और इनकी मीठी खुशबू होती है. So and also I would like to show you here I have collected some flower earlier and dried them in the shade, and you can use them for some other purpose. They are really good smell. So what I'm going to do here, this and needle, and then I'm making like a garland, और इनको हम सुई धागे में पिरो लेते हैं ऐसे. एक एक करके आप पिरो सकते हैं बहुत ईज़िली. इट्स वेरी ईजी. So now you can see I have made this garland. ये फूलों की माला बन गई, and we'll keep them in this small bottle. So make sure they do not touch the, you can wrap them like this. They should not touch the bottom. So it's a little tricky. It's like this. And keep this thread outside, then close the slit. Now you have to close the slit very tightly. So keep all flower hanging. Now you can see, close the lid tightly, keep them in the sunlight. अब बोतल को हम धूप में रखेंगे. इस बॉटल को हमने पहले धूप में रखा था. We kept this bottle earlier in yesterday, and here you can see this in the bottom. Here you can see beautiful some scent has came out. So I will show you how to take it out, and this would be my second bottle. So let's put them into sunlight. So now you can see I keep this bottle in sunlight for 8 to 10 hours. So 8 से 10 घंटे के लिए हम इसे बॉटल को धूप में रखेंगे. And now you can see all the flowers are hanging, and after in the evening I will show you some fragrance will come out. So keep it. So now you can see this after keeping 8 hours in the sun, let's cool at room temperature. So 8 घंटों के धूप में रखने के बाद सामान्य ताप पर आने देंगे. And if you will see here, you can see at the bottom there is a lot of water is there. So basically this is all hydrosol which is coming from the flower, and all the flowers are very loses all the water and fragrance. So let it come at room temperature, and then I will open this one. So now it's cool. We can remove this flower. You have to hold threads, and you can remove these flowers. Now you can see they are all wet. They have very good smell right now. Keep them separate. And here we have this hydrosol which have some smell. It's a very nice smell. So after cooling, this will transfer this hydrosol into bottle. ठंडा करने के बाद इस hydrosol को हम bottle में रखेंगे. So we can use either this scent bottle to transfer it in this one, or another option we can use this later on we can transfer it into our room freshener bottle to make it room freshener. So right now I'm transferring this into this scent bottle. So what you can do, you can just you can see everywhere some droplets are there. So let's combine together. And then transfer into this. In the same way, I'm going to transfer my previous batch also. So open this bottle, but keep hold your needle and thread. I can smell very good mogra flower. Remove them, and then you can also just swirl to concentrate all these droplets one place and transfer them into same bottle using a small dropper. So here we have, you can see these mogra flower, and we are storing this into our scent bottle, and whenever you want you can apply, you can use it and smell it. It's a beautiful smell, very sweet, very enriched, very nice smell. So this is very precious. I mean we can keep collecting and then keep store in this bottle later on, for later on use. You can make from here and add into your room freshener bottle. We will show you how to use this later on. So I hope you like this video. I will show you a little bit more to how to make a rose this mogra flower hydrosol.